Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Motorcycle Rewind, and today we're with the 1983 Kawasaki GPz1100. Z, Z, tomato, tomato. Let's call the whole thing off. And today, with the old Red Rocket, we're getting new clutches. The last time I rode it, it didn't want to be ridden. And this is the clutch that came with the bike. So if you're not familiar with the Big Red Rocket, we got it from a neighbor. My neighbor who had gotten it from a friend of his. It had been left outside for 10 years without spark plugs. I thought it would be just an exercise at can we free up the engine. I'm not gonna put a bar on it or anything. I don't want to crank on it too hard. I just want to see if I can get it to move with this. Whoa. Whoa, 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 whoa. Did you see that? Oh, it did move like a, look, my juice is coming out. Oh, did you see that? It's actually moving. Is this the correct way? Yeah, this is the way it's supposed to turn, so. Hey, 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 hey. I am making the mess to end all messes. I could have cleaned it out, but I guess I am cleaning it out. Hey, this thing is spinning. Oh, I am making a mess. It's spinning around. And then, long story short, 5 weeks later, we rode it to Colorado. All of that is well documented right here on this channel with about 50 videos. So if you want to, click on the card up ahead or just go to the GPZ playlist or GPZ playlist. I think it's free GPZ is the playlist because I didn't pay for it. I got it for free. But today, it's all about clutches. Oh, I should let you know, if you have a weak bladder, I would probably turn the sound down because it's raining here in South Louisiana. And, you know, you may have to go pee. If you do, just go ahead and hit the pause button. I'll be here waiting for you. Okay, I'm gonna start by just dropping the oil out of here. And this oil change is gonna be a whole lot less eventful than the last oil change I showed you guys. Okay. Oh, well, I was right. There's water in the bottom end. I wanted to catch it. Where? Shoot, just run it all down here. Let's see if we can. I wanted to see what we came up with. Come on. Yeah, that's all water. Look. Okay, how long before we get some oil? It's still coming out. So that's 2 quarts so far of water. That's 3 plus. Is there some oil in here? Does this thing have a radiator? Oh, maybe it does. This is the radiator. Maybe this is the radiator. Is that the radiator? No, there's not a radiator. That's an oil cooler. Do we have any? I'm gonna need a bigger bucket. I'm definitely gonna need a bigger boat. Holy crap. Come on, it's gotta stop at some point. How big is this case? I'm gonna need a bigger boat. I seriously, that is an oil cooler. Okay, I've got to stop this because my bucket is full. That's ridiculous. Let me go get another one. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and get the filter out too. This is just mess maker, make me a mess. I guess I could have waited till it finished draining down, but why do that? Whoa, got it. I was hoping to catch it. Oh, shoot, I was hoping not to drop that in there too. All right, we got a mess. Okay, let's go around and break all these loose and then we'll zip them off. Okay, let's see if we can get this off. There we go. Yes, our gasket is still there. We'd replace this gasket when we got it running again. I put a little RTV on it just to make sure it wouldn't leak. But let's go ahead and pop that off. Okay, let's see if we can get this stuff off. See what they look like. Oh, this guy goes in there. Maybe there's still material left, who knows? But we'll replace them all. Let me get a pick so I can get those out. It would be a whole lot easier to do this if you were replacing the gasket too. Okay, that's it. Because if you were replacing the gasket, you could take this off right here, this whole thing, and then put it back on. I didn't order another gasket, so we're gonna reuse this one. So I got the kit that I got, came from Caltrick. Comes with friction plates, comes with the steel plates, all of those, and a new set of springs. So let's go ahead and put this on. Just had to try to remember which way they go. So there's more of these than the steel plates. So I'm guessing they start with those and end with those. Come on. Here we go. And just put them all back on. Well, at least it stopped raining. Now the frogs are out. Well, slowed raining. Come on. Come on. Just right in there. There we go. Last one. And then start with these. Okay, just put that one in just to kind of hold. Just start this one a little bit. And we'll work our way around. Okay, well, let's look up the torque settings and then we'll torque those down. So after a quick search on the owner's manual, or the service manual, right side here, it says I got clutch spring bolts right here. If I look down, 8.8 Newton meters, 78 inch-pounds. So let's go ahead and torque them down. Okay, let's go clean this out, put some new RTV on it, let it sit up, and then we'll put it back on. Okay, I'm going to put a little on here, and then we're going to smear it around, just a real thin line. We'll try to clean it up really good, and then let it sit before we put it on. Not worrying so much, just trying to get off excess for right now, and then we'll come back and we'll smooth it out, clean it up a little bit more. We'll clean up the inside edges first, and then we'll come back around and do the outside edges. Okay, I think we got all the inside edges pretty well clean, and then we'll go around the outside. So then just some Q-tips, just making sure the holes are clear. Okay, we got it all cleaned up. Let's just go let this set up. We'll go put the plug, the oil drain plug, and the oil filter back on while this is setting up. Okay, let's put this clutch cover back on. We have all of the we put the oil filter and oil plug back in. So let's just put a couple of these just to stick it, and then we'll be good to go. Yep. Let's zip these on real quick, and then we'll torque them in just a second. Let me clean up any RTV that squeezed out. And if you're trying to figure out what that is my oil filler cap. If you remember the video where I rode this thing to Colorado, I lost my oil filler cap on the interstate. Fudge! Come on, we got this. We can sort this. Ugh. Okay, we got this. We got this. How much is left? Okay, let's start cleaning. And then let's see what I can do. Come on, let's see what I can do. See what we can do. It's all over. Oh, it's running the other way. So let's see. We lost the oil filler cap. Let's see what we can do. Can I stick something in there? Can I ride with my foot on it until I get somewhere? I don't want to lose it in there, but maybe I can. Yeah. I think I got it. Let's see, where are my zips? And oil covering the whole side of the motorcycle. So I had to, that was my solution. My first solution was rolling up a microfiber towel with some zip ties and then sticking my foot over it. That was the one that got me off the side of the road. But it wasn't fun when you're 80 miles an hour and then you realize that your foot slides off the pedal because it's all full of oil. But my boots are waterproof now. Okay, let's see if we can recycle this. Put it back in the jug I just emptied. We'll go from there. Okay, let me clean up my mess. I'm gonna save these old clutch plates and these springs because you never know. I'm not gonna dump them. We're gonna save them just in case. And I'm gonna clean up my mess. Okay, so I found the right side cover. It says right engine cover bolts. It just says A. And if you go to A, it says right here to apply a non-permanent locking agent to the thread. So let me back these off, put some blue Loctite on each one, then I'll put them back in. Okay, let me zip this one off. And let me put some Loctite on it. That'll be enough. Put the cap on it. This is going to be a... And then tighten it back up. Let's work our way around. Okay, last one. Okay guys, there we have it. Our clutch replacement on the 1983 Kawasaki GPz1100. I am so looking forward to spending some quality time on this guy. Maybe a road trip. I'm trying to figure out where to go, but I think we want to take it somewhere because we had so much fun on it the last time. We rode this thing to Colorado and back. And then we rode it to Florida and back. So for something that was left outside for dead, left outside 10 years without spark plugs in it, and we never took this engine apart. So we're going to go through, do a little bit more service on it just to make it good, but it's pretty awesome. So guys, I want to thank you for watching yet another episode of Motorcycle Rewind. And do me a favor, like, tag, share, and follow us on Instagram at Motorcycle Rewind. And go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Thanks again, guys. Remember, new video every single day in May. A new video every single day in May drops at 12 p.m. Central Standard Time. See you tomorrow.